Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, once again today we are going to unbox this VZR V071 professional hair trimmer. So friends, it has USB type charging cable, and also there is a colorful light that indicates charging. So friends, have a look what we have in this box. We have precision T blade in this trimmer, and also you can see there is on off button, power on off button, and there is a charging indicator light, and this is a green light that indicates when it is full charge. So friends, back side of this you can see what it has. This trimmer, V070 professional hair trimmer. It has 3 pieces guide comb. Charging time it's 1.5 hours, and its working time is 120 minutes. It also having USB charging cable. So friends, quickly we are going to unbox this. So friends, finally we have unboxed. Now you can see this is a VZR V017. It is hair trimmer which is fully stainless steel body. So friends, you can see there is a very thin size of this T blade, and it is having a power on off button, and also there is a charging light that indicates when it is charging. Apart from that friends, there is one USB cable for charging this hair trimmer. We have also received this oil for cleaning, and with this we have also got brush for cleaning. And with this friends, we have received 4 types of guide comb with this VZR professional hair trimmer. So friends, that's all about this VZR hair trimmer. Also friends, you can you can stand put on wall, and also there is one bag that you can use to keep it safe. So friends, that's all about VZR unboxing. If you like this video, please subscribe and share my video.